Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be just a really quick video to show you something I ran into today. I had this laptop here that was dropped off, and the guy said it was running really slow, and he just wanted it to be faster. It's a Core i7, I think it's a 5770U Core i7. It's an Inspiron, Dell Inspiron 17-inch 7000 series. So what I figured was I would just swap his hard drive out for an SSD. So I picked up an SSD for him. I put it in there, and I noticed the thing was still running really, really slow, and the clocks on the CPU were running at 499 megahertz. And I checked the fan. The fan was working on it. Everything seemed normal. I couldn't figure out why it was stuck at 499 megahertz. So I checked his power adapter, and it was the correct it was correct voltage and the correct amperage. But the funny thing is, if I go and I plug the original one that he had back in here, boom, there's something wrong with that power adapter. It only, when you plug that in, it must not be putting out the amperage that it says, because it drops it down to 499 megahertz, and everything is just like ridiculously slow, of course, at that speed. Um, so I've got a Dell, it's a generic Dell replacement adapter here. I just plug that in and bam, right back up to 2.8. So I know sometimes batteries, if you have a issue with a battery, it can cause this issue as well. And you can just pop the battery out, and the issue goes away, and it lets you know that you need to replace the battery. But this is the first time I've ever seen this with a power adapter. So if you guys have that problem, if your shit is throttling way down for no reason, and you can't figure out why, check your, not only your battery, but also check your AC adapter and make sure that the adapter itself, this is the one that I've gotten right now, make sure the adapter itself isn't at fault. All right, hope this helps somebody out. Yeah, you guys take care. I'll see you soon.